They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed.
Maglaro na lang tayo sa kanila. Makipaglaro na lang tayo sa mga perch. Then jighead. Ay, gantong jighead. Hindi yan. Tungsten yun.
Nasaan ba yung ganyang jighead?
Nandyan sa loob. Oh, yun oh. Ayun. Oh, okay. Perch time. Laro na lang tayo. Yun oh. Yun, isa. Ngiyok. Okay, laro na tayo. Oh. Okay, kipaglaro na lang ako sa inyo. Ayun na, tinakbo na ng isa. Yun, malaki. Sa tiyan na naman tinamaan. Oh. Nakalaroan na lang tayo nitong mga to. Oh, sorry boy. Pero yun.
You know. Wow, this is so fun. Oh, bye. Ay, meron na pala akong huli. Wow. Ay.
Oh, yun. Oh. Kuya is catching the fish. Yun oh, yun. Ayun, tinamaan. I just hooked him in the tummy. Sorry po. You are so... Oo nga, sandali. Stop doing that. Please. Boom. Ay, naku, nakikipaglaro na tayo sa mga perch. Oh, yun. Sakto. Double up. Oh. Double up kami ni Kuya.
Wala nang pag-ahot ng late natin. So, we're just gonna, play with perch.
Let's just play with perch.
Ano nasa bibig mo, boss?
Ayun.
Wala. Okay. Bye.
Oh. Na-timingan kita, no? You small
We're just sight fishing now.
We're doing sight fishing na. Yeah, exactly. See? Although they are all healthy, that's the only thing that I can say. Another one. Nakagat niya na. Hey!
Nasaan sila?
Yan, lagay mo siya sa baba. Oh. Ay, nako, dito na tayo. Maglaro na lang tayo ng perch. Ay. Oh. I can't even count how many perch I caught. With the trout magnet, you know. Ba't di ba tayo nakikita talaga?
I don't know.
Oh, yun oo.
Kanina pa ako dito eh.
Diba?
Parang ang nangyayari na lang, inaangat ko na lang yung rod.
Pag pinaganito mo si Miggy, matutuwa yun, no? Oh. Bob. Huli. Oh. Sakto sa bibig niya. Ay, naku, naglalaro na lang po kami ng aking anak. We are just playing and having a good time. Alright?
It's like Reynolds Ponds fishing. Pag gano'n na, sawa ka na sa bus.
You know? Nakakatuwa yung kumagat eh. Oh, you know?
Lakas din kumagat.
Oh, lakas din kumagat eh. Pasok na pasok lang talaga yung 6-pound test natin eh. Palit tayo ng trailer naman. Asan na yun?
Ayan dyan.
Nawala. Parang na lang talaga naglalaro eh, no? Ganyan mo. Sarap. Boy. So, is this what Hunt Lake is all about? I don't know.
Perch mainly.
So, is this what Hunt Lake is all about? Let's see. Yeah. Perch. Aliw factor is 10,000 something.
Pretty fun. Pwede nga kayo migilte. Yung ganito. At least di tayo scam.
Walang scam.
This is insane.
Kanina pa naman tayo hindi scam eh. Oh, di ba?
Hindi nga, yun nga lang ang ano. Kung scam tayo lahat niyan,
Oh,
walang magsasalita siguro pag uwi.
di ba?
Uy! Ang laki nun ah! Uy! May malaki dun, may isang malaki dun. But my trailer is destroyed.
Lo, putol na. See, putol, look. It got destroyed. Oh, palit naman tayo. Iba naman uli. Yung ano naman.
Uy! Ano yung kainin ng ano? Sinusundan nila. Which is the funny part. Look at that. They're feeding Frenzy on a piece of plastic. Billy, why don't you guys eat it? Like for real.
Oh, iba naman. Feeding frenzy for perch. And there's so many.
Oh my gosh, I almost...
Oh, yun na. Ay, nawala. Oh, hindi nila masyado makita yung trailer ko. Yon, okay. Oy. Hoy!
Aray ko.
Sorry po. Oh, okay. Woo. Ganun lang. Ah. Small, but I think I already caught like more than 20, I think. Nakakailang ka na, Ki?
I don't know, I'm not counting. Ang dami nila.
I lost count already.
Oh my god, that guy hit it like a truck. Why? Ganun kagutom? Damn, bro.
Ay.
Ganun siya kagutom.
Sulitan ko na yung trailer ulit.
Aray ko, teka lang.
Hindi na nila kinakagat. Ayaw na nila na itong kulay na to. They don't like this one anymore. Let me try the pink naman, pink. Let me try pink. If they will bite it, it's the same. Loko yun, akala ko ba bawal ang ano rito? Ang motorized. Damn, bro. Nawala! Nawala! Double up! Wala nga, ganda ng pagkakakain mo, sir. Sarap na sarap, di ba? Uy, oh, double up. Balik ka na rin. Sorry.
Go back.
Go home. You stayed out too long. Oh! Ikaw naman, pagbigyan mo na natutusok ka.
Ang sakit.
Okay lang yun. Pagbigyan mo na natutusok ka.
Spine ako sa...
Okay lang yun. Nakuhuli mo na nga siya eh. Yun na nga lang yung bawi niya sa'yo eh. Bigyan mo na. It's okay. Uy! We are having a good time, guys. Very much.
Ay, wala yung vape ko. Hindi ko nakita. So,
Only thing we're capable of doing right now. Ano yun? What is that, Maki? Maki, ayan, ano yan? Ano yan? Trout? Is it?
ang laki nun, no?
Brown?
I think so. Saan na? Hindi ko alam.
Ano kaya yun? Brook trout kaya yun? Well, nagpakita lang sa atin pero hindi kumagat. Anyways, I think we had some good day of fishing. Well, fishing wise. Pero yung target is, well, soon to be captured. Alright, so thank you for coming with us today. Yan, aming mga barkada kayo. We weren't able to land the target species today. We can't even count the number of birds that we caught. It's only like what, 5? We got here at around what, 9. Good day